Today I'm going to show you a quick tip that saved me so much time. So assume that you have a folder and you want to copy all the files to Excel. You're not going to copy each one by one. How to copy all of them in one go? Let's go and do it. The first thing that you need to do is go to the folder where you have all the files. And here you just type cmd, press enter, and you get a scary black screen. But don't worry, the only thing that you need to do is type dir/b/s/o. Press enter and those are all the files in your folder. Now you can copy them by selecting them and doing Ctrl+C, or if you want to be fancy, let's just copy this. You type all this, space, then you need this character. For me it's over enter on my keyboard, you can see it on the picture. So just locate this, space clip. So we are copying all this on the clipboard. Press enter, it's copied now. Let's go back and let's try to paste. So Ctrl+V, I pasted everything. Now if you get them like this, what you can do is click here, use text import wizard. So let's put it here, next, let's remove the space, finish, and you get them in one piece. Now I want to extract the name of every file, so I'm just gonna copy all this, paste it here, and go to data, text to column, let's go to next, here we have the backslash, finish, and the names are here, I can just copy them, Ctrl+C, let's go back to data and paste them. The rest is super simple, equal hyperlink, that's the formula. You have a link location which is basically the URL, this is my URL in this cell, comma, friendly name, it's here. I want to display the name of the file instead of the full URL, so close parenthesis, press enter, and you go back, double click like a normal formula, and you will get all the files. So whatever I click, it will take me and open the file for me.